Today I'm going to be remaking my original iced caramel macchiato video. Let's just say I've learned a few things since that video. The ingredients that you will need is ice, some caramel sauce, espresso, your favorite cup, and of course vanilla syrup. I am using the Monin vanilla syrup that I ordered online. The first thing you will do is pump 3 pumps of vanilla syrup into your cup. Add a cup of milk, and if you have the Starbucks cup, that milk will reach the 3rd line. You're going to add a couple of scoops of ice, and finally top it off with your freshly made espresso. And just so you know, don't let it sit for more than 10 seconds or your shots will have died. The easiest way to do this is to get it directly from the source, which I'm here using the Nespresso espresso machine. And there you have it. You'll want to top it off with some caramel sauce and your drink will be complete. You'll go in a up down, side to side, and a round and round pattern. And voila, your drink is done. This is one of my favorite go-to drinks. It's so easy to make, and I love how there's layers to it. It just looks really pretty. You can definitely swirl it around or stir it. I like the layered pattern, so I like to keep it the way it kind of is once it has that layered look. Other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.